Oh no, I'm coming on here.
Okay. Take that. You can get that man. Oh, in the woods already. Laying down prone. Keep going to there. Hit. Let me take point. Yeah, right over here on the back berm there.
Is he red?
No. Yeah, I'm sorry, he's red. Yeah.
This guy right here is red? Yeah. Yeah. He's the one that got me right here.
I'll cover for you if you want to swing left. He's down.
Yeah, I wasn't going to shoot him. I thought he would have.
That's Kelvin. Oh, shoot. Oh, somebody got me. Give me cover. I'm moving. Go. He's down. Guys, listen, they already got the black one. The red one's down on the ground. So defend accordingly. We need some guys up more here. That left side is not as crucial. One more far. I have an LMG, I'm allowed. You have some support.
Right in front.
Corey, walk with me.
All right, go.
Chris, my phone.
could be a battery.
You see him?
Yeah.
See somebody? Right there, right there.
Mike, I'm going to give you, I'm going to give all you guys cover.
Yo, he's on the wood all the way to the left.
Yes, do you have a pistol?
No, I'm going to give you cover, guys.
Who has a pistol?
I'm going to give you cover.
I don't know where he is. Yeah, see that guy.
Ah. Somebody get up on me. Everybody up on me. 3 guys up on me. Up on me. Come up, come up. Get out here, close. Get close, get close. Blue, Blue, you, come here. You and I are cover men. He's gonna get the flag. Come here. You, here, right here. Listen. He and I are distractions. You put your gun down, you're running to get the flag. We'll take the BBs. Right there, on the ground. He and I are BB magnets. You are going to get the flag. Put your gun down. Just try it. This is a last ditch effort, okay?
See it right there?
We're BB magnets. Just try, okay? Ready? He and I are going out guns a-blazing.
All right.
Ready?
You guys are going in and I'm going to...
Blue, cover. 3, 2, 1. Hit, hit. I got you. Good work. Good work. That's what I wanted. Good job.
Good job.
Come on, Mike. Come on, Wyatt.
We almost got that.
We only got like a minute left. Come on, guys. Respawn. Let's do it again.
That's it, we won.
He wasn't able to do that without you.
All right.
I knew you were scared, man. I saw it in your eyes. You were like, I don't know about this. Nah.
We had 1 minute left.
Oh, man, we did it, though. That would have been impossible without your dad and I's efforts, though. We sacrificed.
I got it right here.
I got it.
Boom! I was like, good job. You know what I did? I jumped in front of him. I'll take the shot, man.
That's right.
Awesome.
The look in his eyes was priceless. He was like, I don't know about that, guys. I'm like, just trust me.
Look, man, look at what you got.
Look at these big bodies, man. I'm just standing there like, you hit me.